This news is so huge, and I can't believe I finally get to share it with you. Procreate just announced that they are going to be releasing a whole new app, and it's called Procreate Dreams. Hi, I'm Lisa Bardot, and I have had the opportunity to dive deep into this new app, and I've been having so much fun with it. Using Procreate Dreams has unlocked a whole new side of my creativity, and I can't wait to tell you all about it. The big question is, what is Procreate Dreams? You might be familiar with the animation assist tools in Procreate and how they can help you add a fun element of movement to your digital art. Procreate Dreams takes this to a whole new level. This is a full-blown animation app with sophisticated tools that make animating easier than ever before. Now, while Dreams is a powerful tool that can make full-length, complex animations, let me make this clear, you do not have to be an animator to have fun and get creative with this app. I'm decidedly not an animator. I am a hobbyist at best. And I have found that using this app has awakened a whole new side of my creativity. I found myself giggling like crazy while making delightful little animations in Dreams. And I have found ways to reinvigorate my past artwork and give it a whole new life with movement. This app has some awesome tools and features that anyone can use to animate. In Dreams, you get to animate on a timeline where you can move content around, group and duplicate things, apply effects, and so much more. Dreams introduces keyframing to the world of Procreate animation. With just a few keyframes, I can create all this beautiful, smooth movement, and I don't have to redraw anything. I love keyframing because with just a few taps, you can make something move, rotate, warp, distort, you can change its color or opacity, you can blur it, and so much more. One of my favorite Dreams features is Perform. You tap this little record button and you can move or alter your artwork, and the app will capture your real-time movements. I love this for creating animations with an organic feel. In Procreate Dreams, you can import video clips and draw right over the top to create these really fun and dynamic animations. Dreams also supports audio. You can import music and sound effects to create an engaging finished product. It's pretty wild the big difference that a little sound can make. And of course, Dreams has frame-by-frame animation, just like in Procreate, in the form of Flipbook. Enter the draw and paint mode, tear away the timeline, and you've got a full screen animating experience. And speaking of the draw and paint mode, you'll see some familiar tools and features. The Procreate you know and love is built right into Procreate Dreams. You can create original artwork, use your favorite brushes, work with layers, and so much more. If you're like me and you're all about that instant gratification, Dreams has a ton of tools to cut the time it takes to make an animation. You can animate a set of frames, group it together, and duplicate it as many times as you want. You can move it around on your timeline and reposition it within your movie. Nested groups make it easy to stack animations and control what's being animated. For example, you can animate one element of a subject while also animating the entire subject itself. And I have to give this a shout out. Zooming around the timeline using gestures feels so easy and intuitive. It's really quick to focus in on what you're working on. Now, a question you might be asking is, who is this new animation app for? I've already mentioned that Procreate Dreams is not just for professional animators, and I really mean that. Dreams is perfect for illustration artists who want to add some magical movements to their work. You can import a Procreate file directly into Dreams and easily convert all the layers into tracks so you can animate the different parts individually. Anything that you can dream up in Procreate, you can bring to life in Dreams. Dreams is also great for content creators who want to enhance their brand or create more engaging and entertaining content with animation. Dreams is also for video editors. You can import and edit video clips and sound, add motion graphics, animated titles, and much more. And of course, Procreate Dreams is for animators. It is an extremely responsive and powerful app that can handle complex content and high-resolution graphics with ease. I cannot wait to see the amazing work that experienced animators create with Dreams. I'm an illustration artist and I've been working in Procreate for almost 10 years. I've taught millions of people all over the world how to find their creativity through drawing on the iPad. And I genuinely think Procreate Dreams is going to open up new avenues for creative exploration for so many people. Procreate changed the game for digital art, introducing that medium to the masses. And I think they've done it again for animation. As you can see, there are a ton of features to explore in Procreate Dreams. Dreams is coming soon, and when it's finally out in the wild, I'll be here to teach you all about it. I can't wait to share my knowledge about animation and illustration with you. So if you love making art in Procreate and finding new ways to be creative, I think you're gonna love Procreate Dreams. Now, I wanna hear your questions about Procreate Dreams. Post your questions in the comments and I'll be sure to answer them in one of my future videos. And be sure to subscribe and hit the little bell icon so you don't miss a thing. Again, I'm Lisa Bardot and I help people find their creativity through drawing on the iPad. If you'd like to support my work, you can check out my premium brush sets that inspire creativity at bardotbrush.com. And if you want to take your learning to the next level, you should join Art Makers Club. Art Makers Club is a joy-filled creative community and learning hub for digital art makers. As a member, you'll get access to a growing library of in-depth courses, live virtual events and tutorials, free Procreate brushes, and more. Plus, you'll be joining a supportive and uplifting community of learning artists. Come join us in the club. You can learn more at artmakersclub.com. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to tell you more about Procreate Dreams. Until next time, happy art making!